Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. Makar Sankranti, Lodi, Pongal, Bihu, different festivals celebrated around the same time across different states of India. Today's recipe is that of a very easy sweet that we all love to have usually. Peanut Chikki. So the way til or sesame seeds is used a lot during winter months and especially during this festival time, you'll end up making a lot of sweets using sesame seeds. So how about trying peanut chikki this time? So let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click that tiny bell icon too and turn on all notifications. Making peanut chikki is really easy. But then there's one task which many of us find a little tedious and cumbersome. It is that of roasting the peanuts. So we need to use roasted peanuts and then remove the skin of those. So that's the first step for making this. Just dry roast the peanuts till they start splitting. So you'll see the skin splitting, but you make sure that it doesn't become too brown in color either. Once the peanuts are roasted, transfer it onto a plate and then let it cool down a little. Using your fingers, just rub it so that the skin comes off. So now let's make the chikkis. Now for this, we need to make jaggery syrup. So melt the jaggery with a little bit of water. Once the jaggery starts melting, you need to cook it till it's a hard ball stage. When I say hard ball stage, what I mean is take a drop of the jaggery syrup and put it into water. So as soon as you drop it into water, when you take it out, it should be hard, it should be brittle. So initially it'll tend to be soft and when you try pulling it, it'll stretch out. So we need to take it a little further, cook it a little further till it reaches that hard ball stage. Once the jaggery syrup is ready, turn off the heat and add the roasted peanuts to this. And mix this well. Let's now transfer this onto a plate. So you can either use a greased thali or like I'm doing, use a baking tray, line it with some parchment paper and then spread the chikki mix onto it. You can use another parchment paper to level it, or you can use a rolling pin or even the back of a katori or a spoon to just level up the top. And then before it cools down completely, just cut it into the desired shapes. So there you go. Didn't I tell you it's a really easy sweet to make? So make these peanut chikkis during this festival time. I hope you enjoy it.